Display genuinely controls an element's real fundamental layout behavior, block, inline, or completely hidden. In this video you'll compare all three real values. Inline is genuinely a real span's default elements genuinely sit side by side and width height are actually ignored. Display block genuinely makes the span behave like a div. Now width genuinely actually applies and it takes its own real line. Display none genuinely removes the element from the real page entirely, not just invisible, actually not laid out at all. Inline genuinely ignores width height, sits side by side. Block genuinely respects width height, takes its own line. None genuinely removes an element from layout entirely. Change a real span's display to block and confirm width now applies. Ready to see why max width genuinely matters for responsive text?